I was swinging along, minding my business, when suddenly out of the blue, just like a present from heaven.
Have you ever bought something because everyone on social media said you needed it only for you to regret a few weeks later? Yeah, I've been there. Over the past years, I've realized some things are worth spending money on. It's okay to splurge on certain things because these are the things you're going to use more often than not. They last longer and they make you feel confident. So in today's video, I'm about to share only five things every woman should invest in. Let's get into it. The first thing every woman should invest in is a quality handbag. And no, I'm not talking about buying a designer handbag. I'm talking about a structured bag in a neutral color that instantly elevates your outfit, and also the same bag that you can wear with t-shirt and jeans, or you can wear it with a dress for date night or for brunch with the girls. Something that will make you look polished. I always tell people to think about the cost per wear. It's actually better to invest in that quality bag that you can wear the same day for years than buying cheaper bags that you have to constantly buy because of wear and tear. You wear it, it breaks, you have to buy another one. Choose something classic and not something trendy. So I'm about to show you my everyday bag. So this is the LV Neverfull tote bag. I love this bag. I carry it everywhere with me. I'm wearing a white dress right now and I can style it with this bag. I can take it to a lot of places. It's very steady, it's very quality, the leather is amazing. It instantly elevates whatever outfit you're wearing. So this is that bag for me. Again, I'm not saying you should buy a designer handbag. This is just a personal preference. So yeah, let's move to the next one. As a woman, you should have a signature fragrance. A good perfume is something people remember you by. You know, some scents remind you of certain people. Yes, that's the power of having that signature fragrance, okay? It doesn't have to be 20, 50. If you are a perfumaholic, I just made that up. Like I am, yes, I have a lot of perfumes, and if you want to know my collection or you want me to do a review of some of the perfumes I have, let me know. That will be a separate video. I do have my everyday scents. When you come to work especially and ask people how I smell, they will tell you because every time I pass by somebody, they stop to ask me what I'm wearing. My patients ask me what I'm wearing. So let me show you my fragrances. I have about 3 here. Let's talk about these perfumes. So I have this Lattafa, what's it called? Engam Lattafa Yara, and these two are my everyday scents. I combine these two, they give me this warm vanilla sweet perfume that lingers. It's not overpowering. These are my everyday. I combine the two. Work, quick errands. I used to say like, you're almost done, we have to get a new bottle. This is my YSL. I love this perfume so much. It's usually for like date nights, special occasions. This is what I go for. I usually don't like to share my perfumes, but I feel like every woman should have something good. If you want to know some of the hacks to make my perfumes last longer too, definitely let me know. Like I love perfumes, intimacy, a lot about perfumes, okay, and their notes and all the good jazz. But yeah, these are my 3 go-to. This one isn't glamorous, but one of the most important. Invest in undergarments that actually fits. Your outfit is probably not looking right because of the foundation. We always talk about the clothes, the shoes, and you know what everybody sees, but what you're actually wearing under that dress is super duper important. I don't mind spending $80, $70 on just one undergarment, especially if they work and they fit right. As a curvy woman, I love bras from Elomi. Their bras make me feel so confident. Yes, they are a bit pricey, but if they work, I'm gonna splurge on that. My package just came in maybe 20-30 minutes ago from Amazon, and I just wanted to show you all this because I haven't worn it. So this is the Oakteel Tummy Control Shapewear. I really love it. So I already have one, but I knew I had to get another one because of how good this is. It's not sponsored. It literally sucks you in. You know, some of these shapewears, you wear them, you are uncomfortable and it flattens your butt and you just don't even want to wear them anymore. This is not like that. It has really good compression. If you want a full review, I could definitely do a full review. Got this in a size large. It fits so perfectly. I could have actually gone down a size to medium, but I prefer my shapewear to be comfortable, not too restricting. I have this waist trainer that It's also from Amazon. Hey, Amazon, that's sponsoring your girl because I'm always shopping on there. I had one in XL, but I had to get it in a large. This is the Nability waist trainer, and I got this in the size large. I love it. Very breathable, perfect for me. I spend a lot on my undergarments because they make the dress look good or not, and it makes me feel confident. So why not? So yeah, as a woman, you should invest in that undergarment. Okay, last but not the least, I will talk about skin care. You don't need 10-20 products. If you think that works for you, that's fine. Just make sure you have a basic skincare routine, a face wash, a serum, moisturizer, then sunscreen. I can't tell you enough, guys. Sunscreen makes such a big difference. I used to not like sunscreen because I felt like it gave me this white cast, but this sunscreen is that girl. I've been seeing this esthetician for 5 years now, and they have their own product, so I bought their product and I love them. They have a mandelic serum, benzoyl with benefits, and then some moisturizer. They do have a sunscreen too. It doesn't leave white cast, and that is the main reason why I don't even wear primers, because the sunscreen has a primer inbuilt as well, so it makes the face very flawless. I can vouch for this skincare company, and literally it has changed my skin. My skin is glowing, my skin is looking more youthful because of these products that I have. Just find something basic. You can go to Walmart, just find something to wash your face with, something to moisturize, some sunscreen. Definitely do not skip sunscreen. Even if you're home, don't skip sunscreen. Again, build your skin care routine. If you can see a dermatologist, go for it. If you can see an esthetician, go for it. If you can't afford that right now, find something basic that works for you. Do a lot of research. If you're like me, I'm always researching because I always want to make sure I'm getting the best deals and also something that works for me. Skincare, skincare, skincare. Well, this video is coming to an end, but let's talk about the very last thing, shoes. Once I started investing in my shoes, my back has been better. My waist has no more pains, okay? So when I say invest in your shoes, maybe some sneakers, like flats, heels, just invest in the quality ones that don't hurt your feet and your back. My favorite sneakers are the New Balance 1080s. They are so comfortable. They give me all the support I need, especially for work and running errands. Yeah, that is my go-to. I do have this ballet flat that I bought from Amazon. I'm going to show y'all. The shoes are downstairs, y'all. I can't go downstairs, so I'm just going to show y'all. So this is it. I'm going to leave it on the screen too, but these are beautiful. If you have white feet, it is for you. These are shoes I go for every single time because they get the job done. So I think I have actually shared the 5 things as a woman you should invest in. I'm so glad I came around to do this video because I'm a girl's girl and I'm trying to put you on to some things that actually work, not just for one person, but it works for a lot of women. It's universal. Alright, so I'm gonna end the video here. If I missed anything, let me know what your favorites are. Go ahead and leave it in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like more videos like this, let me know what else you want to see, what other videos you want to see. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.